That would be quite nice.
Dude, also, can I have the song? Hit like some keys.
Yeah, dude, that's fire.
What's up, dude? How's it going?
Yeah, that's a badass shot.
Dude, if we can get a close shot of that.
Me and him are having a duel. That's not a deer, what the heck? Here we are in the outback. This National Geographic photographer is getting a great view of a deer. There's another one over there too. Oh, that's a squirrel. That's a squirrel.
Alright, look. Hang out.
What you got going on?
Patty melt.
First time trying Whataburger.
What'd you get?
I ordered the honey barbecue chicken strip sandwich, I believe. It was really good. I liked it.
Park Rangers. That was easy, wasn't it? It was easy.
Seems like a pretty good song that I'd like to listen to.
Alright, Fizo. Give us a club walkthrough. This is your bag? So we got here, we got the driver here. We got the one with the 3 on it. We got the one with the 5. Yeah, just everything I'm gonna need pretty much to golf. Hit the little white balls. Hit those little white balls around. I know my way around this place like the back of my hand.
Down. Now on the tee box, Felix Hamilton. Woo! Woo! Just make contact. Come on. How do you feel?
I feel pretty good.
Tiger Woods?
I think I'm Tiger Woods right now.
What is that?
That's the main deal.
It's like, let me just sign it where no one will ever see it.
Move that little knob up top and you can zoom in.
Oh. Look at that sexy beast.
This is my first film camera.
Whoa.
As you can see, we've got new camcorder vibe, JVC. It's just not a situation you want to be in, because that'll just cause problems later down the line.
Dude, holy shit. What that we're doing?
Putting honey on our chicken.
But no, no, we're not doing that.
This is our flour station.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
Does this hurt the chicken?
Cheers.
That's pretty darn good, dude. That's fire.
Fully cooked.
Fully cooked.
Ever since I've been gone.
Yep, that's close. Yeah. Oh, that's good defense.
Woo! He's got a broken wing. There you go.
There you go.
See, look at the top part's broken.
Yeah.
Let him go, dude. This is my new bike right here. It was quite a hassle to obtain this.
Keep your head in the game, stay focused, eyes on the prize, and
Always suck harder than you get.
Okay. Power's out right now. Can't really tell because the power's out.
The power is out at the house, so we are resorting to other means of entertainment. Gotta pick up a camcorder because we are addicted to camcorders.
We are addicted to online retail.
That as well.
Mission success.
The first one I got was too big. Now we're gonna be camcorder pals.
Well, that storm that you just saw made us lose power for the second time this week.